This program has definitely offered a safe space for me to voice both my opinions, my worries, whether it comes to the tech industry or like college. I'm really grateful for this program to help me figure out how to really succeed and strive when it comes to working within an educational setting, a professional setting, because it's a little hard to navigate that when you don't really have the resources from the beginning. I'm also really grateful for this program because I know that beyond the 4 months that we spent together, I know that they will continue to be a support system for me, and no matter what, they're always going to have my back, which is really important.
This program was just amazing. It was really eye-opening, and I learned a lot. I found a really great community here. I got to meet a lot of amazing Latinas in the field, and I had never really met any, especially not my age.
The favorite part of the program for me was listening to guest speakers every week. They would come in and talk to us about their careers, pieces of advice they had, what it was like working in their role at their company. We had everyone from like full stack developers to back-end engineers to product managers to educators.
The program itself has role models that look like me and are like me. I just love it because they are leaders and I want to become a leader just like them.
Being in a safe space with other Latinas in engineering and talking to professionals who are role models for me is really inspiring, and it just helps me to work harder, gaining these professional development skills. Being in a space where you're comfortable enough to practice, like practicing our elevator pitches. I don't think I would be able to do that as confidently without this program. I can't thank you guys enough for all the resume help. My resume is so much better than it was.
It's just been really beneficial to me. Both short-term and long-term, I know that the resources that I've been given are definitely going to be very helpful.
In a cohort of people who you can relate to and they understand is really awesome.
The reason why we study computer science and engineering, because there is a whole demographic that hasn't had exposure to it yet. And by us pursuing it, we're going to share it with the rest of our community, that we're doing it to bring engineering to the people who haven't had it before, to inspire others.